Number 9 question in criminal law past bar exam 2024. Sweetheart, Hector, and Ruby are both adventurous and daring lovers. In one of their escapades, Hector and Ruby agreed to record their coitus with a mobile phone. After a year, Ruby broke up with Hector and found a new boyfriend. Hector got extremely jealous and circulated their sex videos. Ruby filed a criminal complaint for violation of Republic Act number 9995 or the Anti-Puto-Voyeurism Act of 2009. At the trial, Hector argued that he is not criminally liable because Ruby consented to the taking of the 6 videos. Is Hector criminally liable for violation of Republic Act number 995 despite Ruby's consent to the recording of the videos explained? Answer: yes. Hector is criminally liable for violation of Republic Act number 9995 despite Ruby's consent to the recording of the videos. Section 3D of the Anti-Photo and Video Voyeurism Act of 2009, RA number 9995, an act defining and penalizing the crime of photo and video voyeurism, prescribing penalties therefore, and for other purposes states, photo or video voyeurism means the act of taking photo or video coverage of a person or group of persons performing sexual act or any similar activity or of capturing an image of the private area of a person or persons without the latter's consent. Under circumstances in which such person has or have a reasonable expectation of privacy, or the act of selling, copying, reproducing, broadcasting, sharing, showing, or exhibiting the photo or video coverage or recording of such sexual act or similar activity through VCD, DVD, internet, cellular phones, and similar means or device without the written consent of the person involved. So we will emphasize written consent. Notwithstanding the consent to record or take photo or video coverage of some was written by such persons. Section 4, Prohibited Acts. It is hereby prohibited and declared unlawful for any person: A. To take photo or video coverage of a person or group of persons performing sexual act or any similar activity, or to capture an image of the private area of a person such as the naked or undergarment, clad genitals, public area, buttocks, or similar, or female breast without the consent of the persons involved and under circumstances in which the person has have a reasonable expectation of privacy. B. To copy or reproduce or to cause to be copied or reproduce such photo or video or recording of sexual act or any similar activity with or without consideration. C. To sell or distribute or cause to be sold or distributed such photo or video or recording of sexual act, whether it be to the original copy or reproduction thereof. Or D. To publish or broadcast or cause to be published or broadcast, whether in print or broadcast media, or show or exhibit the photo or video coverage, recordings of such sexual act or any similar activity through VCD, DVD, internet, cellular phones, and other similar means or device. The prohibition under paragraphs B, C, and D shall apply notwithstanding the consent to record or take photo or video coverage of the same was given by such person. Any person who violates this provision shall be liable for photo or video voyeurism as defined herein. Section 5, Penalties. The penalty of imprisonment of not less than 3 years but not more than 7 years and a fine not less than 100,000 pesos, but not more than 500,000 pesos or both, at the discretion of the court shall be imposed upon any person found guilty of violating Section 4 of this Act. If the violator is a juridical person, its license or franchise shall be automatically be deemed revoked, and the persons liable shall be the officers thereof, including the editor and reporter in the case of print media, and station managing editor and broadcaster in the case of broadcasting media. If the offender is a public officer or employee or a professional, he or she shall be administratively liable. If the offender is an alien, he or she shall be subject to deportation proceedings after serving his or her sentence and payment of fines. So, in Attorney Raymond Palad versus Lulit Solis, Salvi Asis, Algi Pedroche, and Ricardo F. Lo, GR number 206-691, October 3, 2016 states, it is noted that the Senator Maria Ana Consuelo Jambi Madrigal stressed at the start of the Senate inquiry in 2009 that the proceeding was being conducted not only for Halili but for all women who might find themselves being videotaped during sexual intercourse, and the footage publicized, all without their consent. Republic Act Number 9995, otherwise known as the Anti-Photo and Video Voyeurism Act of 2009, was enacted into a law to stop voyeurism using the Internet. Section 12, Article 2 of 1987 Constitution states, the state shall recognize the sanctity of family life and shall protect and strengthen the family as a basic autonomous social institution. It shall equally protect the life of the mother and the life of the unborn from conception. The natural and primary right and duty of parents in the rearing of the youth for civic efficiency and the development of moral character shall receive the support of the government. Section 14 of Article 2 of 1987 Constitution states, the state recognizes the role of women in nation building and shall ensure the fundamental equality before the law of women and men. So that's it. That's our answer for the number 9 question in the past bar exam in criminal law. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. God bless. Good day and have a nice day.